Khubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki Samla Pule jong Martin Luther Christian University ne kasngi kilapan ko Burom ya ka Shalong Press Club badi ki dukhot jong ka halor ga jingtre shitom jong ki hakinigi por baladap kham tam hagi por bashakta ka khlam covid khat khandai habakran ha ga jingelang balingkot na kalyang ka Samla wanda shisha lingdo kalaang buon ki patba kimtep e lamda ki lat pathai Khubor ki pentep shaw patba lakade ha kanu kanu ga jingja ki baja ha ga Jylla bat shabar ka Jylla ru kumju Kajing pentep baki lat pathai Khubor ki ai shi patba kalong ka badan kambha bat ki Nongthoh Khubor ki degi hero ki ba ai jing tep shaki patba ya kan ye kajing pen ko Burom na pedang lagi nong yelam ke SPC haringkat baki wei pat ki Nongthoh Khubor ki balawan ye sim bentalang.
This is really nice.
Day and being completely unaware of what's going on around us, be it COVID or even just a normal day. What elevates our character is information about the various stories, events, occasions, and various phenomena that occurs around and beyond our environment. As Muhtasim Al-Gharati once said, knowledge is a commodity to be shared. It should not remain the monopoly of the selected few. To conduct a heroic code like this one, we have you, the heroes of information, and through your hard work and dedication, we, the general public, have been blessed with the privilege of knowledge and awareness. We, the student body of Martin Luther Christian University, would wholeheartedly like to thank you, the heroes of us, the heroes of information, on behalf of the entire university, for playing an incredibly massive role in making the public aware and conscious of the fast and happening world. We really appreciate your hard work.
I'm going to present a short poem to you all. It's called The Ghost of Hope. I drafted this one myself. And it goes like this. Display the lines of what can be. Resume the times of what may be. Reset the minds of what should be and wash away the problems you see. Where there is nothing, there is time. What time provides is hope in mind. A positive spectre that can appear, for hope can rid you from despair. A ghost that leads you far from fear, a glimmer of peace that pushes you onwards, my dear. Never lose it, no matter how hard things get. What matters is what you do that gets you out of there. Hold on to the ghost of hope, for at the end it will keep you afloat. I chose this poem today because the press itself is truly the embodiment of hope in our society, because without you, the public eye, all the people around us would remain in the dark. Thank you so much, Press Club.
It's very, very important, especially during crises and pandemics. We just like to thank you from our side for always keeping the people informed about each and every little detail that may come up. And so this, why we call you here today is mainly because this is a tradition that Mlcu does to kickstart our college week. We call it the Aurora. The theme this time is Be the Northern Lights. So to kickstart, in the past we have thanked the police station, thank the what else have we done? Thank the police station, we've thanked fire department, we've even given mementos to our own non-teaching faculty in our university, and today we thought we'd just come this year and thank the news reporters.